Today we have the pleasure of working at the Woodruff-Fontaine House. It's one of the first houses built in Memphis to Millionaires Row in 1871. Due to all the rain that we've had, unfortunately the city had a issue with the storm drain, and the sewer drain had a failure somewhere out in the street, which caused the sewage to back up into the basement of the house. So they reached out to us to have us come out and take a look at it and get it all cleaned up. So right now we're down in the basement getting everything clean and put back the way it was prior to the event happening.